4253. 4253, Officer Pelletier. From everyone at Slo PD, we want to thank you for your years of service and friendship. We wish you all the best and stay safe.
53, copy. 10-10.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, man.
Is it Pelletier or Pelletier?
It is. I don't know if I've ever personally met you.
No, we never have, bro.
Well, we have, but it was like late night, South Street one night.
Oh, okay.
So.
Yeah.
You're fast, man. You got quick response time.
I was just right place, right time, dude. That's how it goes sometimes. Oh, okay. Was it the R or the A, the French way? Pelletier?
I say with the R. I guess technically it's like the French way, but
gotcha.
that's how I pronounce it, so.
Cool, man.
All right.
All right. Yeah, you too. Oh, that's the guy. That's the guy that elbowed the guy. That's the guy that elbowed the guy in the face all those times.
A San Luis Obispo police officer is on leave following an arrest over the weekend that was broadcast live on YouTube.
A video posted to YouTube by the channel Slo Observer has raised questions about the San Luis Obispo Police Department's use of force. He says he's routinely present at local law enforcement incidents, taking video at the scene and uploading it to his YouTube channel. As a first-hand witness of this recent incident, Gabriel says he thinks the officers used excessive force.